See this table, guys? I bought it on Walmart at the clearance section. You know what I'm thinking, guys? I'm going to turn this table into a more interesting one. I just need 5 things, guys. 2 wrapping emoji, all the papers from our basement, a tape, scissors, Christmas lights. Start to be artistic now! Welcome to Harold's Curious Mind! Start to be artistic now! First, we are going to cut the size of the paper to fit the table. I'll put a mark here so I'll know where to cut it. I'm going to cut this extra one so it won't be so long. Now this is the proper size and we'll put just tape on it. I'm going to put the tape underneath the table. Right here. That's the first one. See? Guys, it's halfway there! Now I'm done with the paper. I'm going to put plastic emojis for protection. I'm going to cut the proper size of the plastic one. I'm going to tape it under for the protections. I'm cutting this side so it can fit on the leg of the table. Now we're done with the covering of the table. Now we're going to put the Christmas lights around it. Now I'm going to put these Christmas lights around the table. I'm going to put tape on it so it won't fall off. I'm almost done! So I'm done, guys. Let's check if I plug in the Christmas light into the wall socket. Wow! What happened? It glows! Guys, my table is so nice. This is my new table for online schooling. Really like this, guys. You can do this also, guys, by using your old stuff in your house.